Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So did we all listen to Malema yesterday? There's something that triggered me that I want you guys to listen, and then we'll talk later.
How can someone say the decision to join Umkhonto weSizwe is the best decision ever taken? And my wife Mantra is the first one to like such a thing. And you say Julius Malema is with us. When the partner likes the things that seeks to denounce the organization and where the organization stands, where the relatives, where the cousins and siblings have declared where they stand, and you still ask yourself, where does this leader stand? Look at those around him and you will know where this leader stand. Comrades.
So here's the like that Malema was talking about when Floyd wrote, "The time comes in the life of any nation when there remain only two choices, submit or fight. That time has now come to South Africa. We shall not submit, and we have no choice but to hit back by all means in our power, in defense of our people, our future and our freedom." 16 December 1961. I don't know what you guys think. Is Julius Malema justified to say all this? Because it seems like he monitors everyone's social media and also that of your family, relatives, how they react to certain things. And to think of it, if you like anything or if you retweet, you can get expelled in the EFF. And I was just thinking, how many times do we like posts by mistake? Unknowingly. I'm not saying this was the case, but I'm just assuming probably it was the case. Who knows? On this one, if I heard Malema correctly, it's like he's telling Ndlozi straight to leave the party. And this is a mess. After all that he had done to the party, and if he stays, he's only staying for money, because there's no way you'll be humiliated and your wife like that. Was it even necessary for Malema to say all this? This attitude will make him lose more people. And next elections is going to lose. If there's anyone who can fill in the gap that Floyd has left, it's going to be close. And he's treating him like this. I don't know what you guys think, but I want you to listen at the end of this video. I want you to listen to this and also get your own conclusions.
Because they want to see whether they will emerge in the upcoming Third National People's Assembly before they decide whether they will remain in the EFF or not. Many of them are using the Third National People's Assembly as a threat that if they do not get elected or are not part of the leadership discussions leading up to the conference, then they will leave and join MKP. We must never be blackmailed by those who want to threaten us with leaving after the Third National People's Assembly. I want to say to them, leave now. Leave now so that we can know how many soldiers we have in this struggle to liberate our people. You must leave today, because nothing is going to change between now and December. Nothing is going to change now and in the future. The future looks bright because we determine it today. We are here to make our destiny for how the future looks like tomorrow. Leave now. We have no reason to beg anyone. If you want to leave, leave now and leave us alone. Even if we are alone, we'll always continue to speak truth to power. It's very painful.
I think you heard him correctly. Those who want to leave, it's time for you to leave the party, and he's not going to follow you. And I think there are rumors that there are other people who want to leave. He's actually emphasizing on that. If you want to leave, leave now. So I don't know who is leaving and who is wanting to leave. Thank you guys for watching. Those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.